My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that come from the site kdlike2b.com. It's a misleading website attacking Google, Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers. The website tries to mislead people and to make them click on the Allow button. It says that you need to click on Allow to continue your browsing. But in reality, when people mistakenly agree with that proposal and click on Allow, they may be forwarded to some other questionable sites. Also, people may start getting the great multitude of advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right part of the screen, so you should definitely do something to deactivate these ads. Access the menu, go to Settings. Select Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Now pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. Carefully research them and find that malicious website, kdlike2b.com, and remove it from the list. If you see any other malicious sites on the list, get rid of them too. So this is the manual solution to fix your browser and to remove these multiple advertisements from attacking your screen. Just make sure you carefully get rid of all these junk websites causing the troubles. Now, to make sure that your system is free of other threats, I strongly advise that you perform additional research with the powerful security software. My suggestion is that you do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help in order to detect and delete any other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.